Hello, we are here at the Organic Garden at Alila Ubud in Bali. I'm JP, this is Chef Ryan, and we're here to show you how to make probably the most popular Indonesian dish, Nasi Goreng. Alright Chef, what do we need for today?
Okay, so we have chill rice, this already cooked, and we have chicken. Today we make chicken fried rice, but you can already substitute with prawns or duck or beef. And here, the secret of this nasi goreng is the spice. So we need to make the paste first. So the ingredient will be chili, salad, garlic, red chili, lemongrass, and the important part is the ginger flower. So this will give a unique flavor for our nasi goreng.
What can we use as a substitute for ginger flower if we can't get any?
If no, and you can just put lime zest, this work as well, and just extra lemongrass, be good. And here we have light soya sauce, we have ketchup ikan or fish sauce, and always the sweet soya sauce. We got egg mix, and for vegetable we got green bean. Okay, for vegetable we have leek or the slice, carrot, cut julienne. We have white cabbage. We have green bean, and we have chopped celery. And for garnish later we have fried shallot. Okay, for the spice piece, we start with the ginger flower. So we take off the outside part of this flower, and we just cut it off, see, and then we just cut it half, and we just chop it up. So it's don't need too much. Okay, just need that much. Set aside. And now for the spice piece, we got salad, garlic, some red chili, and belacan or shrimp piece. And then after that, we just put it in the modern pestle and grind it until it's become a paste.
Alright, so here we have the lemongrass, shallots, garlic, the hot chilies and the red chilies, and the terasi or belacan, fish paste.
Yeah.
Excellent. Now we have to grind it in the mortar and pestle.
Correct.
Now for those of you at home who don't have a mortar and pestle or prefer to do this much quicker, you can also do this in your food processor, blender or chopper. It will work just as fine.
Yeah. Okay, this is almost done. Very quick. Okay, now what you do is just spread it off until it's nice flavor. So first step, we just put in the garlic in, the leg.
Thinly sliced, okay?
Yeah, a bit, and then just put in the fish. Yes, stir in. See the smell come out.
Oh wow.
That's fantastic. Stirring just so well. It's about like 2-3 minutes. Okay, we saute this spice about 2-3 minutes until the flavor come out. Now stop already, and then you put it in the chicken.
The chicken.
Yeah. So you infuse the chicken with the spice. Stronger and stronger. Yeah. Good. Not there. Just make sure the chicken is cooked through. Okay, Next one, we just scramble the egg. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. And some green bean in, not too much. And some carrot in.
Since these are thinly sliced, they will cook very quickly.
Yeah. Okay, good. And so cook cool rice in. Okay. Okay, just mix a little bit. Good. Okay, now we season with the 1 spoon of soya sauce, the light one. Just put in the edge. 1 spoon of fish sauce. And don't forget, the secret one is the ketchup manis.
Sweet soy sauce.
Yeah. And then cabbage, cook very fast. Put it in. Oh, getting expert now. And at the end, this one is the celery leaves. Just chop it up. Put it in.
Gives that nice aroma, that celery leaf.
Salad. See? Very easy. You can always make it at home. See, now just need to taste. If you need more salt, you know, and then a little bit salt. That's it.
Perfect.
As we got the ginger flour here, and then we just can add on it here to make it more flavor. But if you don't have it, doesn't matter.
I can smell the ginger flower. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Lovely.
Don't know about you, but I'm ready to taste it.
You see, the nasi goreng is ready. Now we just need to put it on a plate. Look at that. See, and just put it sunny side up on top. Some crackers. Or you can serve with achar as well. Okay. And will be put on next recipe.
Alright, can't wait to try this nasi goreng.
Put it in.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
That ginger flower at the end really adds a different dimension to it. Really good. I'm going to need to have another one of those. Try it at your own home. Indonesian fried rice, nasi goreng.